There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S. Divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl A, and we about to slay another Amazon lace front wig today. What's up, everybody? I hope you're all having like a really great day. When you're watching this video, you know, staying motivated, out the way, loving, lovable, okay, blessed. What can I say? Minding your business, being nice to folks. All of that positive stuff, I hope you're being that today. What's up, though? I hope y'all all doing well. Me, myself, and I'm here, so you already know I'm good. I'm with y'all. We about to have a little bit of good time. We about to look cute. All right, we already cute. Let's just put that out there in the atmosphere, because we are. We just about to enhance it a little bit. Girl, they about to be sick of us, okay? So y'all know I love Amazon. Amazon Prime, you get your stuff on time, girl. Regardless if it's a wig, it's shoes, some clothes, some household stuff, girl. Amazon Prime, you get your stuff on time. And I love when you find like a good wig vendor on Amazon that you can trust. Because, girl, listen, I don't know about you, but I like to get stuff really quickly. Like, I got an Amazon delivery coming today, okay? And I'm going to need it to be here. Yes, girl, I got me some stuff from Amazon. It ain't even for me, okay? It's for my new fur baby. She's been here 3 months, and please tell me why she has escaped twice. And I have like the highest fence, girl. I had to like just redo my entire security backyard part, okay? And then I ended up having to get her a GPS tracker because, girl, you are not going to be running the streets. That's where you came from, the streets. I rescued you from the shelter because you was in the streets. And now you're trying to get back in the streets. Anyway, so I got a GPS tracker, a little collar, and a tag with her name on it coming. Because, girl, listen, we don't have time for these games. And plus some stuff for me, too. Okay? But anyway, so I've worked with this company prior, Beeos Hair. They got some really nice wigs. Now, I've worked with them off of Amazon as well, like just from directly their website. They got a lot of stuff. They got some really good wigs, girl. They got some good frontals. Girl, just check them out. They got some good stuff. And you know I like Amazon because they have an easy return policy. It is 250% density. It is a 13x6. It is Skinlike. Okay, girls, Skinlike Real HD. Sometimes you gotta say with an attitude, Skinlike Real HD, so people know that you're really serious. So let's check this wig out because I'm ready. I'm ready. It sounds pleasing, okay? It sounds pleasing. So you are definitely going to get a You're definitely going to get a melting band and a wig cap. And you'll also find like some brochures as well inside the box. So let's see what she's looking like because I do remember she was really pretty. She's a pre-everything. Now, I love when you can tell that it is real HD Swiss right off the back because of the way the ends are fraying. Okay, this is just a sign that this is real Swiss HD lace. So, girl, you definitely in good. She is a 13x6. Cool thing, they do have combs all along right here, which is great. I love when they have this comb because it definitely helps with the holding of the hair. It's the anchor comb, so that way the combs on the side are not putting so much tension on your little edges, okay? There's also a comb in the nape. They do have an adjustable strap in the nape. There isn't a drawstring, which is fine, but they also do have an elastic removable band. So the only thing you really have to do is cut the lace. They leave the lace on. Everything else is pre-bleached. But let's just get into this, okay? So that way I don't keep y'all for too long.
So many questions that I wanna ask, but I can find the reasons why. You always find a small excuse to leave. What's your excuse to make me cry? My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if not, then everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever.
All right, y'all, look. For real, this wig came out real nice. This is a nice ass wig, okay? Girl, when I tell you this is a nice ass wig, this is a nice ass wig. Girl, the Skinlike HD is definitely giving skin like. It was simply easy to curl. I just took big chunks and curled it, but I'm liking the way this looks. I like the hairline. I like the density. Girl, look, okay, I like this wig. I like this wig. Who don't love a good wig? When you could get a good wig, girl, you all the way winning, okay? Beeos definitely came through. I told y'all they have some nice stuff. This wig is giving, okay? I feel extra cute in this. It's great when you can put on something and it just makes you feel even prettier or more feminine. It just makes you feel so much more put together. Sometimes all we need is a little bit of enhancement. It might be an outfit, a shoe, an accessory, a wig, makeup, whatever. Girl, listen, today is a good day for me. The makeup came out right. The wig came out right. We didn't have to fight. Like, this is a good wig. Girl, listen, hello. I love a good wig, girl. If you're going to do a wig, do it big. Amazon Prime, get your Beeos wig on time, girl. What? You cannot tell me this didn't come out nice. The color is pretty. The texture is giving. This is a really nice wig. Look at her. Look at her. Look. Okay. Let me just do a full spin around for y'all. Okay. This is what she's looking like. Now, hopefully it looks neat in the back. You know, I really can't see, but this is what she's giving. She's giving seductive, sophisticated, sexy, sassy, and all the above. Yes, girl. I like this. I like this a lot. Okay. Scale of 1 to 10, I'm definitely giving this a 10 plus. Okay. Amazon Prime, get your wig on time, girl. I guarantee you, you're definitely going to like this one. They have great quality units. Let me know what you think. And if you stay to the end, give me a black heart. I love y'all. Stay diva and divalicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, and thumbs the video up. And hype the video up for your girl. Hype it up. Let's get in the algorithm so everybody can join our diva and divo family over here, because we love good wigs, okay? Over here, we love good, easy wigs. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
So you can go, go, go.